Obscure. Adjective, obscure. Comparative, obscure, obscurer. Superlative, obscurest. Not discovered or known about. Uncertain. Number 1. Not clearly expressed or easily understood. Abstruse, recondite, recondite. 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 Arcane, esoteric, ricochet, occult, enigmatic, mystifying, puzzling, perplexing, baffling, ambiguous, cryptic, equivocal, delphic, oracular, riddling, oblique, opaque, elliptical, unintelligible, uninterpretable, incomprehensible, impenetrable, unfathomable, inexplicable, unexplained, as clear as mud. Number 2, not important or well-known. Little, unknown, unheard of, undistinguished, insignificant, unimportant, inconsequential, inconspicuous, unnoticed, nameless, anonymous, minor, humble, lowly, unrenowned, unsung, unrecognized, unhonored, inglorious, forgotten. Number 3, hard to make out or define. Vogue, indistinct, faint, vogue, ill-defined, unclear, blurry, misty, hazy, foggy, veiled, cloudy, clouded, nebulous, nebulous, fuzzy, dark, dim, unlit, black, murky, somber, gloomy, shady, shadowy, dusky, tenebrous, darkling, crepuscular, caliginous, Climerian. Number 4, of a color, not sharply defined, dim or dingy, unclear, uncertain, unknown, in doubt, doubtful, dubious, mysterious, hazy, vogue, indeterminate, concealed, hidden. Verb, obscure. Keep from being seen, conceal. Number 1, make unclear and difficult to understand, confuse, complicate, obfuscate, obfuscate, cloud, blur, muddy the waters, becloud, befog. Number 2, overshadow, hide, conceal, cover, veil, shroud, screen, mask, cloak, cast a shadow over, shadow, envelope, mantle, black out, obliterate, eclipse, overshadow, enshroud, bedim, benight, obnubilate, obnubilate, adumbrate, adumbrate. Adjectives. Number 1, not fully explained. Adjectives of obscure. Number 1, not fully explained, discovered, or known about. The origins of this ancient relic remain obscure even to historians. Unclear, mysterious, clouded, uncertain, unconfirmed, vogue, ambiguous, doubtful, dubious, hazy, hidden, indistinct, murky, nebulous, unestablished, unknown, unresolved, unsettled, confused, debatable, enigmatic, indefinite, indeterminate, shadowy, uncertain, undecided, undefined, undetermined, undisclosed, concealed, equivocal, imprecise, indistinguishable, opaque, speculative, apocryphal, blear, in doubt, ill-defined, open to question, up in the air, yet to be decided, cryptic, inexact, inexplicit, unsure, puzzling. Number two, adjective of obscure. Not clearly expressed or easily understood. The foreigners spoke in an obscure language. Obstruse, arcane, enigmatic, cryptic, esoteric, mysterious, occult, opaque, puzzling, deep, recondite, incomprehensible, confusing, elliptical, subtle, unfathomable, baffling, impenetrable, intricate, mystical, mystifying, unclear, unintelligible, ambiguous, complex, convoluted, elliptic, enigmatical, inexplicable, inscrutable, involved, murky, 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 mystic, nebulous, oblique, oracular, riddling, uninterpretable, vogue, abstract, coded, dark, perplexing, strange, unexplained, complicated, Delphic, fuliginous, illegible, illogical, inconceivable, incredible, indecisive, insoluble, secretive, technical, far out, double-edged, far, as clear as mud, not easily understood, clear as mud, hard to understand, clear as dishwasher. Number three, adjective of abstruse, obscure. Physically or visibly unclear or Number three, adjective. Physically or visibly unclear or indistinct. An obscure image of the Grim Reaper would appear in the distance before Bill and Ted during their bogus journey. Blurred, faint, indistinct, clouded, murky, vogue, cloudy, veiled, fuzzy, misty, shadowy, hazy, obscured, blurry, foggy, indiscernible, indistinguishable, unclear, nebulous, shady, obfuscate, undefined, indefinite, indeterminate, bleary, crepuscular, dim, distorted, gauzy, imprecise, unfocused, woolly, ill-defined, out of focus, lacking definition. Adjective number four, not important or well-known. He had a habit of casting obscure yet talented actors, unknown, nameless, unsung, humble, minor, unimportant, lowly, inconspicuous, unrecognized, inconsequential, indistinguished, undistinguished, insignificant, undistinguished, unfamiliar, unrenowned, unseen, anonymous, inglorious, noteless, unacclaimed, uncelebrated, unfamous, unnoticed, forgotten, overlooked, unappreciated, unnoted, odd, rare, unapplauded, unfamed, unglorified, unhailed, unhonored, invisible, irrelevant, little known, unacknowledged, unheard of, no name, out of the way, seldom seen. Adjective number five, being without or without much light. The fugitive was hiding in an obscure spot within the deserted warehouse. Darkened, dim, obscured, dimmed, dusky, gloomy, murky, unlit, darkish, dingy, lightless, shady, somber, unlighted, caliginous, crepuscular, pitchy, shaded, shadowy, Stygian, tenebrous, unilluminated, black, darkling, darksome, dense, dusk, inky, rayless, umbrageous, Cimmerian, pitch black, pitch dark, badly lit, ill-lighted, poorly lit, space, jet black, dash. Adjective number 6, of a place or location, remote or secluded in nature. We stopped by at an obscure little town on the way to our destination. Remote, secluded, distant, sequestered, sequestered, secured, sequestered. Far away, no space, isolated, removed, cloistered, godforsaken, inaccessible, lonely, outlying, solitary, covered, far hidden, lonesome, quiet, retired, secret, sheltered, unreachable, cut off, dash, far off, dash, far removed, far flung, dash, far off, out of the way, dash, hard to find. Adjective number 6, unusual or uncharacteristic of what one is used to. Unfamiliar, new, original, novel, unusual, strange, unprecedented, unknown, fresh, unconventional, unorthodox, different, exotic, uncommon, extraordinary, odd, unexplored, atypical, bizarre, unaccustomed, peculiar, alien, outlandish, untried, untried, anomalous, remarkable, curious, aberrant, aberrant, alternative, abnormal, fantastic, remote, unexpected, unwanted, uncharacteristic, uninvestigated, recondite, unheard of, slash, out of the ordinary, little known, beyond your ken, uncharted, undiscovered, unique, little known, untraveled, foreign, rare, undetected, unexposed, dissimilar, distinct, unrecognized, quaint, weird, intriguing, uncanny, mysterious, unfound, distinctive, brand new, uncustomary. Adjective number 7, not clearly visible or attracting attention, unseen, hidden, concealed, camouflaged, covered, shrouded, veiled, inconspicuous, obscured, masked, undetected, unnoticeable, invisible, unrevealed, unnoticed, unobserved, imperceptible, unobtrusive, undetectable, imaginary, impalpable, unperceived, undiscovered, curtained, dark, imagined, impenetrable, lurking, occult, unsuspected, out of sight, not visible, not in sight. Adjective number 8, humble in position or status, lowly, humble, inferior, common, plebeian, low, proletarian, ignoble, mean, 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 lowborn, baseborn, vulgar, lumpen, prowl, unwashed, ordinary, subordinate, poor, simple, modest, base, peasant, plain, menial, gentle, meek, mild, deprived, lower class, dash, lower ranking, low life, low born, low bred, all dash. Cast down. Undistinguished, unimportant, measly, measly, pitiful, miserable, unpretentious, rough, severe, unrefined, wretched, trivial, unfit. Adjective number 9, unable to read or decipher, unreadable, illegible, indecipherable, scribbled, scrawled, unintelligible, squiggly, undecipherable, distinct, crabbed, unclear, hieroglyphic, faded, faint, untidy, cacographic, CACO, cacographic, hard to read, hard to make out, clear as mud, difficult to read, spidery, cramped, enigmatical, shaky, pinched, bad, unfathomable, small, irregular, indiscernible, messy, jotted, hurried, HURRIED, indeterminate, dashed off, undefined, smashed up, smudged, 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 barely legible, as clear as mud, ill-defined, adjective number 10, not clearly expressed or pronounced, inarticulate, incoherent, unintelligible, garbled, incomprehensible, stammering, stuttering, disjointed, mumbled, unclear, muttered, indistinct, muddled, faltering, confused, muffled, halting, jumbled, rambling, stumbling, hesitating, inaudible, INAUDIBLE, mumbling, vogue, hesitant, blurred, mute, unvocal, voiceless, awkward, tongue-tied, poorly spoken, adjective number 11, not recognized or identified, adjective number 11, not recognized or identified, unidentified, anonymous, unnamed, nameless, incognito, unknown, innominate, INNOMINATE, unspecified and untitled, untitled, undesignated, faceless, unbaptized, unchristened, mysterious, certain, some, given, unrevealed, pseudonymous, undisclosed, unfamiliar, unclassified, mystery, unstipulated, unfixed, unquantified. Verb number 1, to physically make unclear or less visible. In fact, it is so covered with clouds that they completely obscure its surface. To hide, screen, cloak, conceal, mask, shroud, veil, obstruct, cover, eclipse, shadow, blanket, block, enshroud, envelope, overshadow, adumbrate, befog, bury, camouflage, cloud, blur, disguise, fog, haze, mantle, mist, suppress, becloud, bedim, blear, curtain, darken, dim, encase, ENCASE, obliterate, overcast, overcloud, shade, belie, bemist, benight, blacken, blind, cache, CACHE, hinder, obnubilate, occult, shield, stonewall, no space, wrap, blackout, blot out, BLOT, blot out, cover up, paper over, blank out, cast a shadow over, keep out of sight, put out of sight. Now, verb number 2, to make unclear or difficult to understand. Competing agendas often obscure the facts rather than inform the public. Blur, cloud, obfuscate, complicate, garble, muddle, repress, conceal, confound, confuse, convolute, misrepresent, muddy, becloud, befog, distort, befuddle, hide, mire, mystify, befuddle, color, equivocate, falsify, fuzz, taint, tarnish, fuzz up, mix up, space, muddy the waters of, cloud the issue, make unclear, throw a veil over, throw up smoke screen, perplex, discombobulate, fog, puzzle, disorient, flummox, flummox, bamboozle, jumble, stupefy, tangle, twist, intricate, make difficult, make complex, mislead, distract from, baffle, bemuse, bewilder, vex, overshadow, maze, beat, gravel, fox, buffalo, rattle, embroil, ravel, pose, entangle, get, make more difficult, confuscate, 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 make a mess of, misinform, render uncertain, obnubilate, make obscure, lead astray, darken, misinterpret. Verb number 3, to make something more complex. To make something more complex, complicate, muddle, confuse, entangle, muddy, convolute, confound, complexify, obfuscate, sophisticate, complex, tangle, mire, perplex, baffle, embarrass, thwart, involve, intricate, twist, bedevil, no space, derange, disarrange, disorder, elaborate, embellish, interweave, snafu, upset, make difficult, mix up, make complex, space, make complicated, foul up, make difficulties, mock up, render unintelligible, set hurdles, make intricate, disorganize, disrupt, mass, discompose, mock, clutter, bungle, botch, snarl, throw into disorder, make a mess of, encumber, thicken the plot, muddy the waters, scramble, disarray, disturb, shuffle, misarrange, perturb, perturb, fumble, throw off, psych out, mess, get into a tangle, ruffle, muff, spoil, mix, stir up. Unknown